Welcome back to the publishing part of this tutorial series. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to publish your ebook using the Kindle Direct Publishing platform. Remember that these tutorials were created with one goal in mind, and that is to empower you create digital products, self-publish, and earn additional income. On my Instagram page, I teach you how to integrate AI into the digital products. On this YouTube channel, you'll find deeper step-by-step guides. This is tutorial number 2. Let's continue. Start by going to Kindle Direct Publishing. You will type in your search bar kdp.amazon.com. Click on Join and fill in the details to create your account. Once you log into the account, click on Create a new title. From here, click on Create an ebook. From here, you'll see 3 tabs: ebook details, ebook content, and ebook pricing. We begin with the book details. First option is to select the language. Notice that you have several languages in which you can publish your ebooks. The next item is to type in your book title, and the subtitle is optional. Series and edition number can be skipped if this is your first publication. Type in the author's name and last name, and you can also include any contributors up to 9. For the description section, I suggest you use the help of AI to help you craft a strong description and choose good keywords to help you boost visibility. Then select publishing rights, which should be I own the copyright. Then answer the questions regarding the primary audience, including the age. The primary marketplace should be Amazon.com since we are in the US. And then for categories, you must select up to 3 categories. Otherwise, it won't allow you to move forward. For keywords on this section, you can choose up to 7 keywords. Notice that these are optionals, but like I mentioned before, these will help you boost visibility within the Amazon platform. Finally, on this page, you have to make a decision whether you want to publish right away as soon as you're done filling out the 3 pages, or if you want to make your book available in a future date. You come to the calendar, select the date, click Save and Continue. And now we're ready to upload the manuscript. In order to upload a file that is compatible with the KDP platform, you must use Kindle Create. You can take the PDF and convert it into a KDP format. That is a separate tutorial that you'll find on my video. For now, let me show you what it looks like. Once formatted, you will find the file. Click on Upload Manuscript, and you will find that file that you converted. It's going to look like this brown box icon. You will click on it to upload it, and once uploaded, it's going to generate a functional table of contents for your Kindle readers. Next, you need to select if you like to apply all digital rights management, which you should say yes to, because this helps protect your content. Then moving on to your Kindle Create ebook cover. In this section, you'll upload the cover that you've created, one single image, either a JPEG or TIFF format. Moving on, you'll answer this question about AI generated content. You'll select yes if anything has been generated with AI. After that, you'll launch the previewer to see exactly what your readers will see and experience when they're purchasing the ebook. You can skip this section entirely. And finally, you'll answer the accessibility features questions. If you're not sure whether your images include alternate text, you can select I don't know. Then just come here to move on to the final page. In this final section, you'll decide whether to enroll your book in the KDP Select. If you decide to select this option, your book will become available through the Kindle Unlimited and other Amazon promotional programs. The book will be available to Kindle Unlimited subscribers for free, but you still get paid. Earnings from Kindle Unlimited come from a global fund, and you are compensated based on the number of pages read by subscribers across all Kindle Unlimited books. Then you'll select all territories, so your book is available globally. The primary market has already been pre-selected. This was a decision we made earlier. For pricing and royalties, you can choose between 35 or 70%. The 70% royalty option requires your ebook to be priced within a lower range, while the 35 option allows a more flexible price. Notice that here I have selected 70 and the price range is between $2.99 and $9.99 compared to 35% where I can price this book from $2.99 to $200. You can later expand your book sales by turning this book into an audiobook, paperback, or hardcover, which I teach in separate tutorials. Another thing you can do with pricing is during the pre-order period, you can offer the book at a discounted price. And once it officially goes live, you can adjust the price. Once you're all set, come to the bottom right and click submit. Your ebook will go a review process that will take up to 72 hours. If everything is approved, your book will be available at the end of those 72 hours. Otherwise, you'll receive an email to the address you used to create the account. It will detail the issues that you must fix. And that is it. If you reach this point, congratulations. You have officially submitted your ebook for publishing. For more step-by-step tutorials that make technology easy to understand, follow the account and turn on notifications for the weekly tutorial. See you soon.